Again, I'm going to try and explain an issue that I've come across in the airport weekend challenge. I think it or reveals a lack of understanding in either testing or in designing, specifically within classes and where to put what where. It's in the airport spec file. It's describing the airport class, and then we've got the instance method takeoff here, which has a bunch of tests sitting in it, and the one I'm referring to is this one at the bottom here. It tells the plane that it is flying after it takes off. So the functionality that I'd like it to have is that when the plane takes off, the plane, by the way, has a flying status, which on initialization is false, and then what I want to happen is when a new instance of plane is created, when I land that plane, when that plane takes off, I expect that plane to be flying, so the flying status to be true, which at obviously this stage it will be false. So I've done that test, and then I've implemented the behavior that will pass it. In this case, it was to add a line in my release plane, which feeds off of the take off method. So the takeoff method has guard clauses, and then it releases the plane. It calls this release plane method, which if the plane is not undefined, so if the plane is given as a variable, then and also if the plane is in the hangar or in the planes array, which in this case both are, then it will delete the plane out of the array, and then the plane will take flight. And this is the line that it tells the oh, maybe that's that's the line where it tells the plane that its flying status is true, because the take flight will change the flying status from false to true. The reason why I paused then is that I got the sense that maybe there's too much in this method, and the fact that it's calling so many other methods might be at fault, or might be what's wrong here. But even that I'm not too sure about. So going back to the point that I was going to make, and the reason why I wanted to ask this is that I had to change all of these from plane change this one to plane because I might need that extra actually, but yeah, undefined method take flight for plane symbol, and obviously if I add the plane symbol here, then it's still coming up. So what I've done is I've manually gone in there and I've set plane.new, and now this runs fine. Oh no, that plane is not in the airport. But if plane is on the road, plane subject to take off. Ugh, what am I doing? Plane. And now that runs fine. So I'm pretty sure that the fact that I can't use doubles here indicates that my dependencies are messed up, or that I've got one class doing too much, but I'm just not sure what the reason, how I would fix that, and then obviously the reason underneath it. So yeah, any help or advice would be great. Thank you.